Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In the previous lecture, we show how we can use guide curves. With guide curves, we can guide the sketch profiles from the outside. So we have on the outside of the surface, we have sketch profiles and we can define the shape of the surface from the outside. But also we have an option that we can guide the profiles from the inside. To do that, we have to use Centerline Parameter. So here we have two profiles, this one and this one. And here we have one guide curve. And now we're going to show the difference when we guide our profile with guide curve and when we guide our profile with Centerline Parameter. So let's go to Surfaces and Lofted Surface. So for profile, we're going to choose this profile and this profile here. And now we have something like this, as you see. Here, let's choose a guide curve. Let's click here and let's choose this guide curve. Now if we look at this guide curve, now we can see that we have a narrow cross section here. And here we have some broader cross section as well as here. And this is how you can guide your profiles from the outside. We can also guide our profile from the inside by using Centerline Parameters. So we have here Centerline Parameters. Let's click here, let's open this. And here we have to choose our center line. So we're going to choose this path because this path goes from center of this profile on this line to the center line of this profile here, as we see. And this is our center line. So first, let's delete this guide curve. Right click and delete. And let's click here, center line. Let's choose this one. And now we see that we don't have a narrow cross section in the middle. So we now guide our profile from the inside and this gave us better results. So sometimes when you have some defected surface and you have some guide curves that doesn't give you results that satisfy you, you can try with Centerline. And Centerline, in this case, give us the better results. So we can see that our cross sections are pretty much the same. If we go here, we have show sections. And here we can see how our section looks like. And they are pretty much the same. So we got better result with Centerline. And the next thing that we're going to show is how to create a close loft. So let's right click here and let's delete this. And now here we have a first profile, second profile and third profile. And now we want to connect all those profiles here and close this surface. We have the first profile, second profile and the third profile, and we want to create a surface that will go through all those three profiles, and we want that this surface will be closed. So we have one profile, second profile, and now let's here select third profile. So now we got something like this. So we have some twist here. We can move this connector to this one like this. Now looks better. And now we want to close this. Now if we click here, we can't close. So this is not possible. So let's delete this, clear selections. Let's go with this one, this one. Let's move this connector to this edge here, this vertex here, and let's choose this one. And to close this, let's go down here, and here we have some option, close loft. Let's click here and let's click OK. And now we show how we can close our loft. So in this lecture we showed how we can guide our sketch profiles. We can guide them with guide curves, and guide curves guide the sketch profiles from the outside. And we can guide them with Centerline, and Centerline guides the profile from the inside. If you're tired of watching YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.